Get started. Hello again. Another video, obviously. My friend is over. Say hi, friend.
Hi, friend.
Yeah, so we were bored. Or I was bored, and I need another video, so here we go.
What do we do?
I don't know. This is a big ball. What did I just say that made you laugh hysterically?
It's a ball. What do you think is in it?
Shut up. Oh, you're strange. You can't even see us. Hi again. Oh, my legs. Talk. She doesn't know how to talk. Oh, okay. You want to see outside? We should walk around so you can see my house. Should we do that?
Uh-huh.
This is my room. This is where the first video was filmed. What the heck? This is my bed.
I'm gonna bring this ball with me.
Look at the sock. It's pink and it has bananas on it. We're done with that. Now we're walking. That was my dad. That was my kitchen. You're bringing the ball? This is outside. It's kind of hot. She still has the ball. The sun! Oh, the sun! Ah! Beautiful. I'm not watching anything. Oh. Oh my.
Do I bring the ball?
Put the ball down. Oh, they're gonna pull down the tree.
We're gonna.
Pull down the tree. That's why you're here. Or your dad's here.
Why are they pulling down the tree?
Because those are ugly and they want to be pulled down.
Oh.
It's really bright. Oh.
Let's go to shade.
Where?
They have been there for 40 years. 40 years.
Oh, cold, cold water. Cold freaking water. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, so it's gonna take a little bit before they actually pull it down because they still have to cut it. And I'm talking to. I brought my little laptop outside. Can you see the keyboard? Can you see? No, you can't see it. Yeah, and I'm outside talking to my keyboard. It's a car. A tree. Tree. It's a nice tree. It's a nice tree. Yeah. We're still outside. You know what? I might. This is already 3 minutes. And I don't know how to edit it to make it to the tree. So, what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna stop this video and name this, like, part 1 of something. What?
We're gonna pull the tree down with the car.
Oh, 15 minutes until they cut it. That's a long time. So, I'm gonna stop this video and come back out when they cut the tree down. Because what's the point of you just listening to me talking and Jacqueline following me? Ball. Yeah. And that's, whoa, made me fall over you. Anyway, so I'm gonna go back inside the house. Don't fall, alright? I'm not taking you to the hospital. You can walk there. Go back to the kitchen. Back into my little room. Back in here. And like I said, for the 3rd time, I'm gonna stop this video and I'll turn it. I'll turn another video on when they cut the tree over there. That tree. Alright. Bye bye. Say bye bye.
Bye bye.